How to get $1,000 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you Uber Eats promo code. Now you can check out any of the website. For instance, I will be opening the very first one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find different sections as coupon codes, offers. Head towards the section of coupon codes. Now in this page, you will be able to find all the coupon codes. Now I can scroll down and check out $10 off, 25% off, and so on. If you're interested in any of the coupon, in order to use it, click on the option of View Coupon. So here's the coupon code. You can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Once you copy it, now you can head towards the website of Uber Eats, log into your account, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. If you want to use this code right away, click on this option of Visit Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this promo code. Also, you can go through these websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. In these websites as well, you're gonna find tons of promo code options. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $1,000 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.